Till now, in the trigger logic, we have discussed some context variable like age before, age insert, and we also discussed something how you can create different blocks. I mean, for example, if trigger.age before, then inside you can create different block like this. Okay, if is insert, like if you have to do something in before insert, then call your method from here. Similarly, before update, before delete. We also discussed after insert, after update, after delete, after undelete, right? We also discussed, it's just my thought, I have written like this, it trigger.age before, then else here you can write as per requirement. Just here takeaway age, we have different context variable. Okay, cool. So now let's continue our trigger topic with some use case. So let me close this lead trigger. Let's look for this very basic use case. Say when accounts type is updated to technology partner, then update related opportunities stage equal to need analysis. Make sure closed on opportunities stage is not getting updated. Okay. So here, let's break in multiple part so that we can write our logic. First thing, what you need to do. Accounts type is updated means someone is going to update the account and they are going to change the account type. Let's open the Salesforce org and I clicked here, org should open. Yeah, it's opening. In the org, go on the object manager and you can check the field that's called type on the account. And there is some pick list value there. One value is also technology partner. It means someone is going to update the account. And as soon as account is updated, we need to update all the related opportunities. You know, in the Salesforce, one account can have multiple opportunity record. So you need to find out all the child opportunities and update a stage equal to this value. And here is one condition also, if opportunity is already closed on, if opportunity stage is already closed on, you don't need to update those opportunity. Okay, if you think carefully, you can create or record triggered flow. You can choose the object account and you can update the opportunities from there. Means this requirement is doable from flow. Okay, I can say record triggered flow, but here we are learning trigger basic. So let's go and achieve the same requirement from trigger as well. Okay, let me go to Salesforce object manager. First thing, go on the account, field and relationship. Let's choose type here and you can see, okay, type API name is type here. Nice. We are able to figure out we need to create a trigger here just for learning purpose. And trigger on which object? See, account is updated means cause is update of account, means when account is updated, trigger will fire. So firstly, let's create a new trigger. Create Apex trigger. Give a name account trigger. Trigger account trigger on as object. We are able to take a call like we will write logic on account trigger. So here on account. Okay. Now let me remove this before insert from here and think which event needed. Okay, come back. Account is going to update, then we need to update the related opportunities. Means we need to update child record. Here First thing, you are able to take a call updated, means update. Before or after? After update. I hope you are able to think after update, not before update. If we say update the same account record, then we will take before update. But here, just think, okay, account changes should be committed to database, then only child records should be updated. So I am choosing after update. Nice. Now, as we discussed earlier, account trigger handler dot means I will create account trigger handler class, and then I will call a method from there, and I will write my logic there. Okay. And I'm not going to use any context variable here as of now, because it's only on the after update. Getting what I want to say? See, earlier we have multiple events here, so we have to write this block. Yeah, you can go ahead, copy paste this thing there, and you can write your logic inside the after update section, inside the after update section, after one. But as of now, you can see I have only one event, so that's fine. Let's go directly account trigger handler dot. But I have to call this account trigger handler, so why not? Let's create in the start itself. Let's create a new class, Apex class. You know how to create, so I'm not talking how to open this like Control Shift P something or Command Shift P. So just create Apex class, give a name account trigger handler. Okay, let me remove the constructor. As of now, I don't need this. Okay, let's create a method public static void, and let's give a name after update. Okay, and I have to update opportunity. Okay, so maybe I can write here after update something. Oh, that's fine. Let's save this after update. I was thinking some better name. You can give after update opportunities something, or I can say update opportunity. Okay. After. Okay. But just for simplicity, let's put this after update. Okay. And as you know, last time we have received list of records. So list of account, LST account, means this method is taking all the accounts that is cause of trigger, means one account can be updated or multiple account can be updated. And in the previous session, we also discussed these things. So just I have created a method after update. This will accept list of account. Let me deploy this. Yeah, very good. I can see someone texted in the chat after update. Yes, good. Now go to trigger, account trigger handler dot. Let me call the after update and trigger dot new. Remember we discussed in the previous session, trigger dot new will give you the list of account here because trigger is on account. So list of account will come here and it will go to this method after update, right? List of account. Cool. Now let me deploy this trigger as well. So always keep this thing in mind. Don't write your logic here. Just go to the handler. Keep this trigger clean. Something like this. Your trigger will be look like this. But let me close this so that, okay. Now I am here, right? You can understand when someone will change the account, then this trigger will run. Then this line will be executed in context of after update. Now go here, and here you can, depends on your requirement. If it is talking about after record create also, like after insertion also, then you can add the after insert. Okay, but as of now, just I am taking one use case during update, so I have added after update. But think carefully when requirements come, like okay, I need the same logic during update also, during create also, or just during create or update, right? So you can take your call accordingly. So don't be confused. Okay, why am I am not writing after insert here? Okay, now I am here. Here you need to write your logic. What logic you needed? Look here. See, we are able to achieve this first line. When account type is updated, oh, sorry, just we are able to achieve one thing. When account is updated, right? We are not even able to check it updated to technology partner. Okay, so let's do it one by one. Very basic level I'm talking. All account is here, right? So write a for each loop, you know already, yeah, maybe one account and more than one account. We need to iterate on this list and we'll take one by one. So first thing, list is coming, means write a for loop here. List of account here, and here account, you know already, list of accounts, it will give you account. So account here, obj account, list of account, and here you can write if obj account dot type equal, what is this? In the requirement, it's mentioned technology partner, means here partner. By the way, as of now, I'm doing it hard coded here, but no worry, just keep it as of now. Later, I will discuss. Don't hard code here. Maybe tomorrow this value will change to someone else the requirement, so you need to change the code here, but that's fine. As of now, keep it simple. You can see obj account dot type equal to technology partner, means here in this section we are able to take all the account where type equal to technology partner, right? Then we can find all the related opportunities and we can update those. But here something is missing. Let me leave this. I will show you demo what is missing here, because I am also following some logical part. So here just checking type equal to technology partner. Okay, we are not checking what was type previously. We are not checking what was previous. I'm coming, what is this value of type? See, let me go to the record here. Let me open the account. Let me create new account, okay? Type is prospect, save it. Okay, now there is two possibilities here. Just understand carefully and the basic level. Type is prospect. I am going to change it to the technology partner. I am going to now click save. This trigger will run because the record was updated. This method will call, it will go here, it will go here, And here obj type dot technology partner. See, obj type dot technology partner, true, right? It will go here. Means we are checking type equal to technology partner. Now come back. I am again going to edit this account at different time. I am going to put tickets. I am going to put employee 200. I am not touching this type. I'm just going to click save. This time also, this condition is satisfied. Obj account dot type is technology partner. Correct. That's I want to say. We are not checking what was previous value of type. I hope you are able to get. Sorry. Are you able to get? Can you text me in the chat so I can understand? Yeah, you're understanding what I want to say here. Please text in the chat if you are able to understand. Yes or no. I want to say, let me check. Yes, very good. You are able to get. I want to say type, currently type is a technology partner. I am changing some different field value. Or maybe this was previously something else. Now I am changing to technology partner. This is a very important call. Even if you are working in the flow or in the process builder or even in the trigger, very important call. And look, the requirement is telling type is updated to technology partner. Means we need to check this also. Previously type was not technology partner, now type is technology partner, then I need to update something, otherwise it will update every time. But sometimes this is also valid. Okay, so what I am telling, as of now I have added this comment. Let's move forward. Okay, I'll come back for that. So as of now, if I go next, what we needed here? Let me check the comment. Okay, everyone is able to understand? Good, thank you. Now, we need to find out opportunity. So for that, we need account ID. Okay, so let me create a list here. List of string lst account ID equal to new list. We have already covered a differentiation for list. So that I'm moving here, I'm using if account type is technology partner, then list of account ID dot add obj account dot ID. And if I rename this list of technology tech account ID, that's good also. Means this account ID is account ID of accounts where type is technology partner. For loop is over here. If you print your system.debug all accounts with type equal to technology, or I can say all account ID with type equal to technology partner plus, you can check the debug log from here. Now, update related opportunities means we need to find the all the opportunities, and here we need to write SQL query, because for finding something we need to write SQL query. So what you can do, we have learned SQL query select ID from opportunity. Okay, if you go on the object manager, you will check the opportunity object, standard object, their API is also opportunity. So select ID from opportunity where ID equal one ID. No, we have one more key here, keyword ID in ID in, give a colon. I think we discussed the colon earlier. Like if you have to use variable, then use this colon. Opportunity where ID, I mean opportunity ID in this list of take account ID. But this is not ID. This is account ID. Go on the opportunity. Like I can write the ID here if I will have opportunity ID, but you can see this is holding account ID. And if you go on the object manager, if you look on the opportunity, here, you will see we have account ID field. So I am putting account ID in which account ID, list of tech account ID. Okay, means here I can write list of LST opportunity equal to, and this SQL query will return list of opportunity. We have learned in this SQL query, if you are writing query and there is from opportunity, means this will give list of record. You can hold here list of opportunity, LST opportunity. Okay. Now, these are the opportunity which is related to my account. Which account? Where type is technology. Look the line by line. All codes should be very much clear in your mind. Being a developer means you are able to understand each and every word in this code, and you can visualize, oh, how easy this is. Just taking the all account ID from list of account coming from trigger context with trigger.new, putting the all the ID there, and then with help of that ID, I am making a SQL query on the opportunity, and I am getting the opportunity here. Okay. Before I go next, I can give a quick passage. You can achieve this very easily also if there is a formula field on the account. There is a formula field on the opportunity. If you will create a formula field on the opportunity, then you can access the type there. But no worry, here just I don't want to cover that formula field part. That will be very easy. So I want to make this example little helpful for you. But no worry. I hope you understand my thought. Why I wanted to say there is a account field on the account type field on the account. You can access this field with help of formula field on the opportunity, right? And leave this, don't make it over complex. Any confusion till now, please ask. Now you know what we need to do. We are able to find out all the opportunity. Just we need to update a stage equal to this. Let's go on the opportunity, find the API name of a stage. And you can see API name is a stage name. Copy this stage name. Let's paste here, comment it here. And we have already learned in the DML session, if you have list of records and you have to update that, means you have to use the for loop on this, and here opportunity, you know already for each loop, obj opp colon, like list of opportunity, one by one come here, and this opportunity dot, this is field stage name equal to what by the value needs analysis. Okay, you can go and verify if your stage name contains that value. Yeah, I can say yes, this is here. That's fine. Let's put here cool, and outside of for loop here write update list of opportunity. And we discussed when you are doing the TML in the DML session, if you have missed that session, you can go and watch the recording that's available. Try, catch, exception, or we even discussed like here DML exception is much better because We are doing DML exception, DX, and here you can maybe print as of now system.debug exception age. You can print DEX dot message. Get a message? Cool. Save. Let me deploy these changes. Any confusion in any line, please ask without hesitation. Don't think your colleague is able to understand. Okay. You are taking responsibility for yourself. Either you are from very much beginner or you are already working in Trigger. If any confusion here, please text. You can also text me in the private chat. If you feel you should not talk publicly, then ask in private chat. It's deployed. Let's go and test this. And then I will come back on this statement. Okay, let me test this. I am on this account. Let me create one opportunity as of now. Demo. Stage something. Cool. Save it. Okay, I need to put the required fields here. Okay. Save it. Now, see, type is technology partner. Okay, I am going to change something. Account number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Save it. You can see need analysis. Stage wise something else na on the opportunity, but you can see it's working. My trigger is working fine. Okay, now let me change this value proposition. Okay, let me save this. Understand what I want to say here. Now I'm on the account. I'm going to change the website. Let me save this. As we discussed earlier, still type is technology partner, right? So again, it will change to need analysis. See, able to understand, but logically, even as per requirement, if you look in the requirement, it should be. Let me remove this. I have not added this. Type is updated to technology partner means this functionality should work only when someone is going to change this type. Means suppose type is customer direct and I am going to change it to technology partner, then only my stage should be updated. This is our requirement here. Means we need to check if this type field is updated. Like if this type field is changed, we need to check that here. And that I was telling. Now we are going to check this thing. The previous value of the type was different. Now someone is going to change it to technology partner, then only my stage should be updated. So you are able to think, okay, we need to add some logic here to make sure that this type is changed. Okay. By the way, if business requirements say every time record is updated and if this technology partner update the opportunity, then this is fine. But no, my requirement is here only when type is changed. I'm going next. And then I will come on this part. Okay, later. As of now, I have not implemented this. Let's make this. I'm coming one by one with problem statements. What we need to do here. Let me remove this. Here I am going to introduce you one more context variable, and that's called, but wait, somehow you are thinking, if trigger is able to give you the previous value, then you can compare if previous value was this, current value is that. So yes, trigger is giving you some context variable, trigger dot old and trigger dot old map. What is this? Trigger dot new, you are already aware. Trigger dot new means all the record which is updating or maybe created. If there is create event, it's insert there. So trigger new is giving the latest value from this record. Trigger old will also give you list of account because I am in the account, but this will give you all the previous value, I mean previous copy of that record, previous instance of that record. Means currently account number 12345 and account site is demo.com. Okay, this is already suppose existing. I'm saying okay, I'm going to edit this, I'm going to make it 6, I'm going to make it in, then trigger.new list will hold the account where account number is 12345 account site is demo.in, and trigger.old will hold the account where account site is demo.1 and account number is 12345. I hope you are able to get. Trigger.old means older value of that record, and trigger.new means newest value of that record. Okay, so here make sure same record to copy. So now what is old map? Same thing, list of account, but in the format of ID account. Remember when we are learning map, we discussed key value. So this old map will hold the ID, account ID and corresponding account. Okay, if this is on lead, then this trigger old will give list of lead with the previous value. Old map will give ID and lead. And we have one more thing here because I'm talking here. So one more thing, trigger dot new map, and same thing, ID account. Okay, trigger new will give you all latest trigger, latest record, latest values in the record, in the list. Okay, trigger new map will give the same, but in form of ID and record map, new map. Old will give the previous value I said in form of the, of course, S object in the list, and it will give. Okay, means this method should also accept older copy, and here you have option either pass the old list or old map. And earlier we have learned from the map we can take the value with help of ID. So here for this example I am thinking map is easy for me. How? Let's see. From here I am going to pass this triggered old map. If I will pass triggered old, then in the handler I will have two lists and I have to iterate the for loop on the both lists, and I need to compare the previous value was technology partner or what, current value was technology partner or what. And if I will send in the map, then I can simply get the value from the map. How? No worry. As of now, let's understand. I am going to pass here trigger.old map. Okay, let me remove everything from here, and if I will pass second parameter, then I need to add second parameter here now. And what I will add, I have already shared, this old map give us the map of ID and account, means map of ID, comma account, map of account, and I can see give some better name, old account, older version. So map of old account. Save this. Let me deploy this first, because firstly I need to deploy this handler class. Then I can call from trigger. Na? I have deployed this class. Then go to trigger, deploy this trigger. Now come back here. This was the place in the for loop. See, obj account. And you know, with help of this obj account, we can take the account ID. Account ID. I can write string account ID equal to obj account ID. And look, your map is already holding the ID in the key and corresponding value in the value, corresponding account in the value, and either the older version of this account or newer version of this account, means either the original account or changed account, ID will same. Means you can think from this map, if I ask, hey map, give me this record with help of this record ID, then you can get the previous version of that account. Means if I write map dot get, earlier we have discussed, we have a separate session for map, right? Map dot get this account ID, then map will give me one account, and that account I can write here account old version account equal to this. See carefully what I am doing here. I am asking from old map, give me account corresponding to this account ID. This is giving you old version account, and you can see account ID. Why to declare a variable? Copy this. Why not directly write here? Why to declare a variable? Let's write less code. Cool. Just for example, that's also good. This is not wrong. You can write this. But my thought is why to just create extra line? Why not? Okay. But yes, if you are going to use the same variable multiple times, then of course declare a variable. But here, this is older version account. And now if I write here in the inside, if old version account dot type not equal technology partner and current is technology partner, means type is getting changed to previous value of type is not technology partner. Means, let me save this. I'm going to change. What will come here? Customer direct. Yes, not pass. I'm going to mark this technology partner. Save this. And current type is technology partner. Yes, pass. Means go here and take that account ID. Right? Okay. Now let's look here. I'm going to change employee now. 2000. Save it. See, technology partner previous, new technology partner, means obj version dot type not technology partner. No, this time technology partner. This is failed. This is passed, but it will not go here. Right? Let me deploy this code and let's see what is happening there. Okay. Let me change this to different one. Okay, none. Cool. Let me go to opportunity. Let me change this to different one. Suppose prospecting, phrase testing. See, I'm going to update this type to technology partner. Save this. Yes, both conditions should pass. Not technology partner, none tha pehle. It was none firstly. Now technology partner. Go inside. Let me rephrase this. This should be automatically updated to need analysis. So see, need analysis. Okay. Now suppose I am working on this opportunity and okay, opportunity is getting little closer to closed and I am marking it value proposition, save it. As an admin, I am going to work on this account again. I am marking the shipping address something, maybe Delhi. I'm not touching the type, just I am marking Delhi, save it. This time, my older value and previous value for type is again technology partner. You can feel, okay, this will not pass. It will not go here. If it will not go here, then record will not come here. Stage will not updated. Yes. If I refresh this, stage value is still value proposition. Let's see. But earlier, if you remember, it was updating. So with help of this trigger or old map, we are able to check the previous value was different than the current value. And yeah, we have achieved that. See, it was not impacted, it was not changed, it's still value proposition. Now how it's happening? It's happening due to this. Okay, now just think one different use case. Okay, let me create a phrase use case. Let me mark this other something, save it. Different phrase use case. Now I'm going to mark this closed on, save this. Perfect. My opportunity is closed on. My account is something. Type is other. I am going to change this account type to technology partner. Save it. Our logic is working. Now, this closed on will be go back to the need analysis. See. But if you look back our requirement, it was make sure closed on opportunity stage are not getting updated. Means we need to do something more here. Think very basic example, but we are able to create lots of if-else condition. You feel what is happening, where we need to change. Look back here. We are getting account here if condition is matched, means if technology partner, then we are getting the account here. But here we need to add the condition so that I will not get the closed on opportunity. You can think, oh, here in the SQL query, just add one more condition and a stage name. And how I got to know a stage name? On the opportunity field is stage name. Remember from here, field relationship, you are able to find earlier stage name here, stage name not equal what? Stage name closed on. Good practice is copy the value from here. API name closed on. Save it. Means taking all the account, all the opportunity for this particular account, but I'm not taking a stage closed on. Let me deploy this source to org. Now go back and check the same demo again. Okay, let me go back and mark this something none or something prospect. Save it, save this. Suppose my opportunity is closed now, closed on, save this. Let's go. Let me mark this prospect to the technology partner. Save this. My opportunity is still closed on. It's not going to disturb. Now let's start testing. Cool. My stage is still closed on, and if you need to test this code, you need to, I mean, not test class here, just I'm talking functionality testing. You need to be very careful what you are going to test. Let's test one by one. First thing, account is updated to technology partner, then update related opportunity stage should be need analysis. Okay, let's go. Let's make first use case. Make sure I am on the account. Maybe my type is prospect. Okay, let's make this something qualification. Just I'm preparing my test data. Okay, save it. Fresh testing I'm going to do. You can create new record by the way here, but just you can see I'm creating a first use case. Okay, if type is getting changed prospect to technology partner, save this and verify my stage is changed to need analysis. See, write the test case somewhere, and yes, that test case passed, because if I look here, my value should be updated to the need analysis. Let's look, confirm. Okay, now let's think one more use case. Okay, this is need analysis. I am working here. Suppose I am going to change this to the ID decision maker. Save it. This is still technology partner. I am going to change something, maybe ownership. It should not update now. Save it, because already technology partner. I'm not changing this type, so it should not update. Let's verify. It should not update it. ID decision maker should be there. Cool, it's passed. Okay, now think. Let's create different data set. I'm again going to test my third use case. This is customer direct this time. Save it. Okay, cool. I'm going to mark this my opportunity closed on. Save it. Okay, now I'm going to change the type to technology partner. It's valid condition. Something is getting changed, but my account is closed on. It should not impact. Save it. Refresh this. Cool. Still closed on. Okay. Similarly, closed on and your opportunity is closed lost. That's also called closed. Means opportunity is either closed on or closed lost. Is closed lost. So I can say in this requirement, you also need to add the logic or add here closed lost, not in closed lost. But I hope you are getting the just thought process is developing the logic here. So I hope this very basic use case, but we are able to cover some if else part, some more specific thing. I can say this trigger is for hardly 10 to 20 minutes, but I have taken more than 40 or 50 minutes to explain this. I hope it is helpful for you. Any question, please ask. No question, then I think we can wrap up this here. Yeah, let's wrap this for today. Let's verify again. We are able to achieve when accounts type is updated to technology partner, then update this. Make sure opportunity is not getting updated. This requirement is doable from flow. Always remember this. You can do the same logic from flow, and I can assign you to the same assignment to you. Please create the same thing from flow. And here earlier I was talking one thing. If you have formula field, then you can easily also achieve. Maybe you can try that approach as well. Create one formula field that's called, I was telling you one formula field that is type on the opportunity. Okay, you can try that as well, or otherwise you can ask me. I will try to cover that. But goal, I think new learning today, you have only learned one new map and some logical things. Thank you, everyone. Any question? Let's discuss now.